Are you keep getting this phone number cannot be used by iMessage or FaceTime on your iPhone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio. If you're frequently getting this error on any iPhone, then here's the easiest way to fix the problem. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you can do is simply go and open up the settings application from your iPhone or iPad and tap on this Apple ID at the very top. And under the Apple ID, he'll get to see the sign in and security. Go ahead and tap on this option. And under this one, he'll get to see your Gmail address or the Apple ID address and the phone number. So for the phone number, he'll get to see it says unavailable for iMessage and FaceTime. Well, so this error commonly appears when your phone number does not support the iMessage and the FaceTime feature on your country and region. So what you can actually tap on this phone number right here and tap on remove from account, and you just need to get back from here and tap on add email or phone number, and under this one select phone number and verify your phone number and re-add the phone number to this account and see if that fixes your problem or not. Let's say you did this process but you still have the problem, then get back from here and force restart your iPhone. You can press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, go ahead and release the button, and this will actually force restart your iPhone. And once you get back, most likely a problem is going to be solved. And let's say you did everything but you still have the problem, then here's the last process that you guys can do. Open up the settings app once again from your device, go to the Apple ID and sign in and security again, and under this one tap on add email or phone number, and you just go ahead and select the phone number here and add a new phone number to activate the Face ID or iMessage on your iPhone. And once you do that, most likely the problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll catch you up in the next one, and thank you very much for watching.